Generally, family run businesses don't work together.
We may have our own egos, we may have our own distances, we may have our own shortcomings.
What we have understood is what are our weaknesses and what are our flaws and what are our strengths. In family, you understand each and every person, each and other person's strength. So we should focus on the strength, like I have focused on his strength, like Dinesh's strength and his weaknesses. This is where I plug in. I also would have flaws, I also would have weaknesses, and this is where he has plugged in.
Clarity and trust was never a question because you're working with a family at the end of the day. So that not being a question, what matters most is the intent that drives it forward.
So rather than thinking about why and how we should not or why we should, actually it is why we should not. Wish Blessers Private Limited itself showcases that how we have turned the tables.
We may have our own egos, we may have our own distances, we may have our own shortcomings, but the intent is always clear that business always comes first and ego always comes later.